Hi Peter. Today I'm going to be solving this problem using completing the square method, and I'm going to be using my guided notes from my presentation. So, start off from the guided notes. Step 1, we're going to be adding or subtracting c from both sides, and in this equation we have the a value, b value, and c value, and so we're going to do c first. So in this case, we're going to add 4 to both sides. Get x squared plus 10x, and then we leave that blank because it's gone, and we get plus 4. Then move to step 2. Said if a, or the leading coefficient, which is here, is not equal to 1, then we divide both sides by a. But here it is equal to 1, so we can skip that step. And then we're going to take the b term, this 10, half it, and then square the quotient. And so we have x squared, and so half of 10 is 5, and 5 squared is 25, so plus 25 equals 4. Then move down to step 4. We're going to add this 25 to both sides. So we get still x squared plus 10x equals 25 plus 4 is 29. And then so we have that, and then we're going to turn this into a perfect square because we can do that now because we did that step, the completing the square step. And we're going to get x plus 5 squared equals 29. And so I figured that out because 10 or 5 plus 5 equals 10. Just that's the perfect square of this. And then we're going to square root both of those. And we get x plus 5 equals the square root of 29, which was step 5 and 6. And now we're going to do step 7, and we're going to solve for x. So we're going to subtract 5 from both sides, and we get x1 as negative 5 plus square root of 29, and x2 as negative 5 minus square root of 29. We always have to remember that that is plus or minus the square root. So it's x1 is negative 29, or x2 is negative 29, x1 is positive 29. All right, there we go.